Hey guys, welcome back. If you are just joining me, the live has ended, but you can still grab your Frozen mystery box from the link in the description. I'm so excited to show this to you guys. It's so precious and packed full of all of the good stuff. So if you are here as you are coming in, say hello and we will get started soon. Okay, let me just make sure that I can see your comments here, and it looks like I can. All right, so Cricut has released this mystery box, you guys, today in the celebration of Frozen 2. And this is packed full, like absolutely packed full to the top of goodies. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to be honest with you. When I heard Frozen Mystery Box, I didn't open it yet until today, until this morning, because I thought it was going to be all things geared towards Frozen, and I love Frozen, but I wanted it to be a surprise. The best surprise of all is that this is the perfect mystery box to stock up or get started or continue on with your vinyl collection. And it also has a lot of fun favorites. You'll hear me say this every mystery box reveal, that my favorite part about the mystery boxes is that it may contain pieces, supplies, materials that you may not think to purchase for yourself. But this one has all of the staples, all of the good stuff, and then a few good surprises. So I want to show you this. This is Cricut removable glitter, which it doesn't mean that you can use it on glass or anything like that. I've had that question often. It just means that it's not going to leave you with that sticky residue once you peel this up, once it's been sitting for a while. And look how shiny this silver is. It is so sparkly. And this is one sheet of 12 by 48 inches. So it's super, super big. Then you get the Everyday Iron-On in navy, which is one sheet of 12 by 24. So if you buy these by the small sheets, that's 2 of those. And this is the Strong Bind Everyday Iron-On. Then you get one sheet of 12 by 12 aqua. And look how shiny the glitter iron-on is. It's also 12 by 19. So this is iron-on again. Then you get the Strong Bind iron-on sampler. So you get 3 sheets of 12 by 12. This is called the Imperial sampler. And you get red, black, and gray. And all of these colors go perfectly with the Frozen theme. Then you get the premium vinyl shimmer. So this one is permanent. You get one sheet of 12 by 48. So that is so big. Let me show you guys how big that is. It's going to stretch across the screen. And I also want to show you the shimmer is, it's like it's flatter. It's more flat than the glitter. So it's smoother. And the shimmer is sparkly, like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Nothing on this. I've had this question before. It seems crazy. Nothing comes off on this. It's just beautiful shimmer. Can you see how sparkly and shiny that is? It's so perfect. And that color, oh my gosh, is gorgeous. Okay, moving along. You're going to get the Everyday Iron-On in Party Pink, which is perfect for all of your Frozen loving girls. I've got 2 of them, and this is a sheet of 12 by 24, so it's that super long one. Then you get this Frozen brand Disney Premium Vinyl. You get 6 sheets of 12 by 12. I've not seen this. This is exclusive today. So let's open this up and see what patterns. My girls are going to be so excited for this. Who's going to see Frozen 2? I know that we are, and I'm so excited to see it, especially with everything that now, with this mystery box, I can create. So let's look at these patterns. You get the forest with blues and greens, and they're so pretty. Oh, that's so cute. Then you get Elsa and Anna. And then you get sheets of Olaf. Yes, they're so pretty, you guys. I'm so happy to have this. And that is removable matte. So it has like a really nice smooth finish. And that is adhesive vinyl. And then you get the premium vinyl and shimmer permanent. This color is fuchsia. So it's super, super shiny, sparkly, and it's a pinkish purple. So great. And then underneath, all of this vinyl that is literally packed inside. Oh, I missed one. Oh, hold on. I missed this one totally. You get glitter iron-on mesh in white. Let's open this up and see how pretty this one is. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. This is I think I'm really, really impressed with this box. This is the perfect mystery box. Hold on. Okay, this is one sheet of 12 by 19. And if I can get this tape off of here, let me show you how neat this is. Look how neat. And this is the iron-on. So you can put this on all of your iron-on materials. And it has that really neat white mesh finish. And it's glitter. I know you may not be able to tell, but it's glittery and shimmery and it looks like snow and it is so beautiful. So then at the very last, we get this frozen deluxe paper, which is great for everything paper crafting. Let me open this real quick and let's see. You get 12 sheets of 12 by 12. They are double backed, or double-sided, I'm sorry. They do have the backing. I'm so excited to open this. All right. So you get, let's see, 12 sheets of 12 by 12. Let me turn this around so you can see. You get Elsa, Anna, and Olaf, which this is the same pattern as you get with the vinyl. And then on the back is this beautiful color. You get the snowflakes in white and blue. And then Olaf on the back. And look at these little tiny dudes. How cute! Then you get Sven, Kristoff, the trolls, and Anna and Elsa. You get a big collection with this one. We've been watching Frozen. Oh, same design as the vinyl. We've been watching Frozen in our house to catch up and to prepare for the new movie, and we are so excited. This is a really cute Olaf and Christmas trees, and then on the back is solid stripes. This one is Kristoff, Sven, Anna, Elsa again, and the castle. These are so pretty. And then you get 2 of each. This is the castle. This is just a really pretty, fun Frozen pattern. And that's it, you guys. I cannot believe how much you get with this. They literally jam-packed this box full. And it is amazing. So let me know if you guys grab a box. Be sure to let me know if you see Frozen and let's have a chat about it. I'm so excited to see the movie. I'm so excited for the mystery box. It's so much fun and amazing. So this is the Frozen mystery box. You guys jump off here and go grab it while the supplies last, and I will talk to you soon.